Ano ba ang hanap mo? Pwede bang katulad ko ang ibigin mo? Di mo na kailangan pang pumunta sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Warmest greetings to a retired, respected, and always your years of honorable service, discipline, and leadership remain an inspiration to me. May you be blessed and with good health, peace, happiness, and living in harmony with my God. In this new year of your life, happy birthday, Sir Ginaldo.
Happy birthday, Master Agustin! Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
First, dahil binihag mo yung puso ng classmate namin, binabati ka namin ng
Happy birthday!
Yung happy birthday to the incredible mentor of the Special Action Force Class 2004 sa Lakmib. First, Agustin, first, happy birthday. Thank you for your wisdom and dedication who truly inspire us to what we are now. Thank you first for the guidance that you've taught us and lessons that you've imparted us. Thank you very much, because what we are now is because of you, of course. Your lessons, your inspirations. May you have more birthdays to come, and I hope you are very happy for now. And I wish that you have many more candles to blow first. Happy birthday.
Sergeant Agustin, happy birthday. Wish you all the love and good health always from Salakmib.
Para sumaya, ipikit mo lang ang iyong mata, ang puso mong makakakita ng yamang di inaasahan. Ika'y ginto sa puso ko, sana ito'y malaman mo. Wala nang yaman sa mundo ang mas higit sa'yo. Wala nang hanapin pa sa'yo. Ako'y kontento na, sana'y malaman mo ito. Walang yamang masigit sa'yo. Iwan mo na ang nagdaan, matutong wag muling masaktan ang damdamin. Ako'y iyong pansin